Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really love unboxings and you guys do too. I just received my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of May. If you're unfamiliar with the OG, the original Ipsy Glam bag that I've gotten now for over 10 years, can y'all believe it? Because I can't. It is a $14 monthly beauty subscription where you get a makeup bag, cosmetics bag, and then 5 travel try me size items. Occasionally we do get lucky and they sprinkle in some full-size items. I have said for the last 10 years that I feel like you get a wonderful bang for your buck here with Ipsy for several reasons. I feel like if you are a newbie to makeup, if you have a young beauty who's kind of dipping their toes into makeup and skincare, this is a really affordable way to test tons of different brands, hair, makeup, skincare, etc. Then if you love it, you've only paid a little bit of money for it, and then you can invest if you wanted to buy full sizes or kind of explore that brand a little bit more. You know, versus paying $50 for something and you hate it. It's also a really great way to build a collection of makeup, beauty, skincare, and because we go to travel to see our grown son consistently, this is a really great way for me to have travel size minis so I can always have something in my overnight bag. Let me shut the heck up. Let's go in. First off, we're gonna grab the bag out. Oh, pretty. And there's something inside in the bubble wrap. I'll do that last. It's like this really beautiful, I think they call it in the damask or something like that. I could absolutely be wrong, but it's this beautiful print. The zipper pull is a blue tassel, and then it has gold hardware. And generally inside your bag, you will receive a card, and we do always have a monthly theme. And this month's theme is Born to Bloom. This month is a reminder to bloom at your own pace and find beauty in every step of the journey. No perfection required. And generally, it will show you the products you're going to get in your bag, pricing, details, how to use, and things like that. Of course, I'm not looking at that just yet. So inside the bag, the very first thing I see is the Hola Neon, the Trace Me Lip Liner in the shade Afterglow. I love that packaging. It's way more kind of fluorescent and bright in person than it looks here. Ooh, I love that packaging. Pink and yellow are my favorite colors, and green. And I can't really tell. It's almost looking like it's like a mauve-y. Yeah, definitely more kind of mauve-y rosy. So that is really pretty. And I'm almost positive that's probably a full size and most likely pays for the entirety of our bag. Next up is the Elemis, the Pro Collagen Green Fig Cleansing Balm. I have used this before and I love it, so I'm actually going to go ahead and stick that in my bathroom. Next up is the Olivia Uma, the Strawberry and Tangerine Glass Skin Multivitamin Serum. That sounds great. And my profile is that I have light to medium skin, I have dark eyes, dark hair. I'm very comfortable with makeup, but I have a preference for skincare. So I personally, in my own bag, like to see a 3-2 ratio, 3 that's like hair or skin, and then 2 makeup. Next up in my actual bag is the Elizabeth Mott Sure Thing Vitamin C Eye Cream with peptides to help reduce dark circles and puffiness. So far, they've met my quota, and I'm already thrilled that I've got a 3-2 ratio. My last thing was out of the package, and if it's in bubble wrap, we automatically know that it's some form of makeup. I haven't seen anything from Half Caked in a while, you guys. This is the Half Caked Duality 1 Eye and Cheek palette. And generally, whatever I know that I'm not keeping in my subscription boxes, I will put over in my resale group over on Facebook, and that link is always in my description box. Very pretty. I wish that this maybe wasn't here, or there were 4 shadows and then this was larger. I like to be able to have a large enough pan to put my products into, but I do think it's really beautiful. A perfect kind of everyday, natural, like on-the-go type of eyeshadow palette. So I'm definitely not mad at it. And I think the eyeshadow palette with this is beautiful together. So we got our Half Caked, we got our lip liner, we got an eye cream, a serum, and a cleansing balm. I'm thrilled. Are these all products I'm going to use? No. But as far as getting the 3-to-2 ratio, as far as things I feel like I'll get a little bit of use out of and stuff like that, As far as it being more kind of spring forward and spring friendly, I absolutely love it. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. And then of course we're going to talk some deets. We had our Hola Neon Trace Me Lip Liner in Afterglow. Meet the Trace Me Lip Liner. Creamy enough to glide, grippy enough to stay put, and packed with rich pigments for bold, defined lips. Wear this Dusty Rose shade solo or as the perfect base for your go-to lip look. It's got the staying power to keep up with you. And this is a full size for $19. So again, this pays for the entirety of our entire bag. Next up was our half-caked eye and cheek palette in Duality 1. This monochromatic neutral palette features a primer-infused mauve blush for all-day color, plus a mix of silky mattes and buttery shimmers to define and illuminate your eyes. With blendable luxe textures, it's your go-to for effortless, polished looks anytime, anywhere. This is a full-size palette for $20. Next up was our Elizabeth Mott Sure Thing Vitamin C Eye Cream. This lightweight vitamin C eye cream is designed with color-correcting properties that help lighten the look of dark circles. Packed with niacinamide, peptides, and vitamins B, C, and E, plus fermented postbiotics. It helps fade discoloration, smooth fine lines, and nourish your skin. This is a deluxe sample. The full size of this would be $20. Next up was our Elemis Pro Collagen Green Fig Cleansing Balm. Melt away makeup and impurities with this luxurious 3-in-1 cleansing balm. It transforms from a rich balm to a silky oil to a hydrating milk, deeply cleansing while nourishing your skin to leave you feeling hydrated and glowing. And the tip, it says massage the balm into your dry skin, emulsify with water, then rinse or wipe away. This is a deluxe sample. The full size of this would be $69, and the full size of this exact one is exclusively at Sephora. And then last but not least was our Olivia the Glass Skin Tanghulu Multivitamin Serum. Inspired by Tanghulu, the glossy, sugar-coated fruit all over your feeds, this serum from K-beauty favorite Olivia delivers a radiant glass-like glow. Packed with antioxidants, niacinamide, vitamin A, and vitamin E, it helps to revitalize, brighten, and energize your skin. Tip, morning and night, press 3 to 4 pumps of serum into your face and neck. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $48. So again, I like the combination, and I always feel like I get a great bang for my buck. That is it. Let me know what you guys thought. Are we bag twins? Do you get Ipsy? And what are your favorite subscription boxes? I'd love to know. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Thank y'all for coming into my space. Thank you for allowing me into your space. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.